Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti frittata. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked spaghetti, which is perfect if you have leftovers. Also, prepare 6 to 8 large eggs, some grated cheese like Parmesan or mozzarella, and any vegetables you enjoy, such as bell peppers or spinach. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together 6 to 8 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Then, add your cooked spaghetti and grated cheese to the egg mixture, stirring gently to ensure the pasta is evenly coated. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a 10-inch, oven-safe, non-stick skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil shimmers, indicating it's ready. Once your pan is hot, pour the spaghetti and egg mixture into it, spreading it out evenly. Let it cook on the stovetop for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the bottom is golden brown and the edges begin to set. You can gently lift an edge with a spatula to check. After that, transfer the pan to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking. Bake the frittata for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the eggs are fully set and the top is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a serving plate. Slice it into wedges and enjoy it warm or at room temperature. For other great deals and the link to Little Tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.